You're all welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can generate an artificial intelligence enhanced images with your picture. Observe this picture in front of you. This is an artificial intelligence enhanced picture that was deducted from this other picture that I'm going to be showing you. This skill is a very powerful skill. You can use this skill to enhance your picture or enhance clients' picture. So if you are ready, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the like button, and make sure that you share the skills as well, because what I'm going to show you now is so wow. Are you ready? So let's dive straight to the app. Okay, this is the app. This is how the app shows. When you have opened the app, you can see pictures that have generated through this application. Wow, see how beautiful they are. So what you have to do is, don't be worried, at the end of this tutorial I'm going to give you the name of the app freely, and I'm equally going to share the link of this app to you in the descriptive part of this tutorial. I want you to be calm and observe keenly the steps that I'm going to show you. So when you have accessed the app, this is how it displays itself. It wants you to go to the gallery and choose the pictures that you have to enhance. All of these that you are seeing here already, they are already enhanced pictures. So what am I going to do? I have to click on open gallery here. When you click on open gallery, you wait, you glide in now. You have to select 8 pictures, because by default it wants you to select 8 pictures. So I'm going to look for pictures in my phone. Okay, you should know where you have kept your pictures. You look for the pictures in your phone. So you select images, So when you access the application, this is how it portrays itself. Just observe keenly below. You see enhance. This enhance here entails that you have a picture and you want to amplify its quality, its beauty, and next to you have artificial photos, and we equally have artificial avatar, right? So but what I'm going to show you today is the artificial intelligence photo. That's how it transforms your picture into a beautiful wow image. So I will click on this tab, artificial photos. At this level you see pick a model image. So you click on this plus here. So now you need to choose a model that you like. Do you want to choose a model of a small child? Do you want to choose a model of a man that looks responsible? Do you want to choose somebody who is muscular? So these are the models that you need to choose. So, and you need to indicate if you are a male or a female, for example. So already I've indicated here that I am a male. So you can indicate if you are a female or other. So if you are a female, you choose female. If you are a male, you choose male. Since I'm a male, if you choose, for example, female, it will give you templates for female, right? So but I'm going to choose male. So now I will choose a model now for male. So okay, since I'm a responsible guy, I'll choose this model. I like this model. So this is the model that I chose before. So use this model image, and now you click down here. So when you have chosen, it's uploading your model. So making sure that you have chosen 8 pictures of yours, and now it depends the template that you have chosen. For example, at this level now, I've decided now to choose a template that is more of military. So you see at this level now, you see your image that you are selected now will be transformed now in artificial intelligence image. You can see how enhanced the pictures are. It's so wow. So when you are saving the pictures, you swipe them to the right. When you want to delete, you swipe them to the left. And now at this level now, this is the video part of it. So you can click on yes to save the video, or you say no, thanks. So I'm going to show you the app. You will check the link. You will check in the descriptive part of this tutorial. You will get the link of the app. So you need to listen keenly and attentively now what I'm going to explain. That's what is going to permit you utilize this app well. The name of the app is REMINI. When you download it, if you are having the old version, you need to update it and you link it to your bank account. It will give you a 7 days trial version which you are going to use, and after the 7 days now you can unsubscribe. You can unsubscribe your bank account from the app. And I would like you to hit the like button, subscribe for more. And I'm going to be showing you in our next tutorial on how to unsubscribe your card when you have linked it. I wish you all a blissful day. Ciao, ciao.